Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn the topic magnification, which are most important for spherical mirror. So, magnification is nothing but it is ratio of height of the image to height of the object. So here small m is equal to height of the image, generally we denoted as a h dash, to the height of the object is denoted as a h. Generally magnification is denoted by small m. So here we get one formula, small m is equal to h dash by h. It is a one definition of magnification. Now the second definition is related to the distance. So here we can say that it is ratio of image distance to the object distance. So m is equal to, now here we apply negative sign. So m is equal to negative image distance. Generally we denoted image distance as small v divided by object distance, generally denoted as a small u. So here we get second formula, m is equal to minus v by u. Now students, how we can determine? By showing these two formula, our image nature is real or virtual. Okay, so first here we go in first equation. So here you can see it is a ratio of image height to the object height. Now for real image, you know very well, image is get downward to the principal axis. So if we applying sign convention, so we get h dash is negative and h is positive. It means in general our m is negative. Okay, so if our magnification is negative, then it indicate our image nature is real. And if now we discuss about the virtual image. So in virtual image, you know, image height is get upward to the principal axis. So if we applying sign convention, then h dash is positive and h is also positive. So m is equal to positive. Okay, so now we can say that if m is equal to negative, then nature of the image is real and inverted. And if m is equal to positive, then the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Okay, so here our topic is magnification. So you can see, first we discussed about the two definition, in which first is related to the height and second one is related to the distance. So there are mainly two formula. First one is am is equal to h dash by h, and second one is am is equal to minus v by u. And by using this formula we can say that if magnification value is negative, then we get real and inverted image, and if magnification value is positive, then the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Now students, we see the various values of magnification, then nature and size of the image, and also types of the mirrors, which are most important for us. So now here you can see, first one is a magnification, then in second column nature of the image and its size, and third one is a type of mirror. So students, here first we take positive one, it means plus 1. So here plus, it means magnification value is positive, so we can say that the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Now we discuss about its size. So here you can see it is a positive one, it means image height and object height both are same, it means it cut out. So here we can say that the nature of the image is virtual and erect, and the size is the same size as the size of object. Okay, so this type of image is formed in plane mirror. Okay, because we know in a plane mirror always we get image is virtual, erect and same size of the object. Now students, we get negative one. Okay, so here also the sign is negative, so we can say that the nature is real and inverted. Okay, and same like here 1, so we can say that and of the same size is the size of object. Okay, and in this case we say that the types of mirror is concave. When we put the object at C, so we know object height and image height both are same, but image is formed downward to the principal axis. So our h dash is negative and h is positive. It means h dash and h is cut, but we get negative sign. Now in third case, here we can take greater than 1 and positive. Greater than 1 and positive. It means if we get the value like plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, so this all value is greater than 1 and positive. So here you can see positive sign. It means the nature is virtual erect. Okay, and here the value is greater than 1, then our image is also enlarged. It means virtual erect and enlarged. The types of mirror is concave. Okay, when we put the object is between P and F, then we get virtual erect and enlarged image in concave mirror case. Now we take greater than 1 and negative. Okay, greater than 1 and negative. So negative sign. So we can say that it is a real, inverted and enlarged. Why? Because it is a greater than 1. So here we assume the value like minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. It means number is greater than 1 but sign is negative. So this type of mirror we can get in concave mirror. Okay, concave mirror. Now next we take less than 1 and positive. Less than 1 and positive. Now here also positive sign. So directly we can say that the nature of image is virtual and erect. Now here the magnification value is less than 1. It means the size of the image is diminished. Okay, the size of the image is diminished and the type of mirror is convex. Okay, now last, less than 1 and negative. So here negative sign. So we can say that the nature of the image is real and inverted. Now we talk about its size. So here also it is a less than 1. So we get it is a small in size. Okay, and the types of mirror is concave. Okay, when we put the object is beyond C in concave mirror case, then we get the nature of the image is real and inverted and the size is small. So dear students, if you like this video, then share and subscribe. Thank you so much for showing.